بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم my dear viewers and learners. Welcome to my channel Digital Schooling with the help of Teacher Facilitation Program. Without any further delay, we will start our new topic, topic 26, lecture number 26, and topic is mushaddad letter. When mushaddad letters comes after tanween, how it will be pronounced. So keep in your mind, mushaddad letter um, remove tanween or noon sakin sound. Okay, rasulun, rasulum. Okay, now we will start our lesson with dua. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli waj'alni waziran min ahli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khairi wa bika nasta'in ya fattah ya fattah ya fattah. First of all, I will read for you, and then you will repeat after me. Okay? Ra zabar ra, sin waw pesh su, rasu, lam mim do pesh lum, not lun. Lun will be noon sakin or tanween sound will be stop here. Okay? Due to coming mushaddad letter. Meme. Okay. Rasulum, meme zer me. Rasulum me. Noon lam zabar nal. Lam khada zabar la. Hazir he. Rasulum minallahi. Rasulum minallahi. Okay. Minallahi. Okay. Next word is like this. That word we will read. Kitabum mubinun. Kitabum mubinun. Tanween sound will be removed or stop, and meme sound we will pronounce. Okay. Ba meme do page bum. Okay, not bun. Okay. Tanween sound will remove here or stop here. Kitabum mubin. Mubinun. Okay. Khairum minhu. Khairum minhu. Next word is bazir bi, hazir hi, bihi, jim. Alif zabar ja, bihijar, wa zabar ra, bihijar. Ta mim dozer tim, not tin. Okay. Due to mim mushaddad, we will pronounce tim. Bihijaratim min sijilin. Bihijaratim min sijilin. Next word is lawhim mahfuzin. Lawhim mahfuzin. Suhufam mutahharatan. Suhufam mutahharatan. Waqulu lahum. Waqulu lahum. Qawlam, not lan. Okay, not lan. Tanween will be removed here. Tanween, sound of tanween or noon sakin, and tanween will be removed here due to mim mushaddad. Okay. Qawlam ma'rufan. Mata'al lakum. Khairul li'anfusikum. Khairul li'anfusikum. Fusihim. Jannatin lahum, not tin. Til. Jannah, we will pronounce til. Okay, due to lam mushaddad. Jannatil lahum. Jannatil lahum. Zabadarabiyan, not done. Not done. Tanween sound will be removed here. Okay, or stop here. زبدر رابيا غفور رحيم not غفور غفور رحيم عيشة راضية عيشة راضية. When we will stop here, عيشة راضية, ta will be changed into ha, okay, due to when we will stop here. Okay. Now from Rasulun Minallahi to Ishatir Radiyah. This is your today lesson, and you will have to repeat it again and again. This is your homework. And now, if you find this lesson useful, uh, like, share, and subscribe my channel to motivate me. And we will end with our lesson with dua. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Allah Hafiz.